In this video, we're going to talk about editing the appearance of your WordPress site. So on your dashboard, we have this appearance link on the menu bar on the left side of the page. When you mouse over it, you'll have these several links here. You'll have one for themes. As you recall in the previous video, we talked about themes. It's all about customizing the looks of your website. We have customize, widgets, menus, header, background, Mojo themes. Please remember that Mojo themes is enabled by a plugin, so you might not see this in all of WordPress installations. And then of course the last we have the editor. Let's go ahead with themes for now. Just a quick overview. When you click on the themes link, it'll take you to this page here. So you'll see which is active right now. And of course you'll have other themes here that you have installed on your WordPress site. Now, should you choose to activate this theme here, you can go ahead and mouse over the theme and then click on activate. Or if you want to look at it first, or if you want to check it before activating it, you can click on live preview. Then of course you can add new themes by clicking on this link, so you can install more themes to your WordPress site. Now let's go to customize. When you click on customize, it should take you to this screen here. So you'll have a bunch of options to edit on the left hand side. Site title and tagline, this appears on the very top part of the window. We can go ahead and edit colors. Header, this is the one for the header. So if you want to upload an image for the header of your website, you can do so by going to this part. Background image for your website. Widgets. Now, when we say widgets, these add functionality to your website's sidebars and menus. So as you can see here, we have several widgets here, which is archives, categories. Those are widgets. So you click on the options here, you'll see which widgets are active or which widgets are on your website as of the moment. So you have here search, recent posts, here you go, recent comments, archives, categories, meta. Those are the widgets that you currently have on the site right now. And of course, you can go ahead and reorder these. So this part can go under this one, should you choose to do so. And of course, you can also go ahead and add a widget. So it's not only on the primary sidebar, you can also have it on the content sidebar right here, which we don't have as of the moment. And on the footer, again, which we don't have. You can go ahead and experiment on that later on. Okay, just for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and change the theme so that at least we did change something, and then we can go ahead and save the changes later on. So let's go ahead and change the theme. Here you go. I did change it. Click on save and activate, always after making the changes. Okay, once it has been saved, you can go back to your WordPress dashboard. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.